welcome to another English ABC video. My name is Jude, and this week we've been practicing counting. We've been practicing how we say numbers, we've practiced how to write numbers like this, and also how to spell numbers just like this. So if you watch the previous videos, we start by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we move to 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we move to 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we learn how to count 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, all the way up from 1 to 100. And then yesterday we were learning how to count 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900 and 1,000. So the 1,000 was the new word for that day. So I just want to do a quick recap of what we did yesterday, and then we'll move on to something new. So 100, so the 00, 2 zeros always tells us that it's going to be 100. 2 zeros tells us 100. And here we have the 1, so we know it's 100. And then it follows the same pattern all the way up to 900. So a 2 with 2 zeros, 200. 2 zeros again tells us it's 100. How many hundreds? The 3 shows us 300. Next, 400. 4 with 2 zeros, 400. 5 with 2 zeros, 500. 6 with 2 zeros, 600. 7 with 2 zeros, 700. And 8 with 2 zeros, 800. 9 with 2 zeros, 900. And then 1 with 3 zeros is 1,000. And also, I don't know if we've ever covered this, but I just want to tell you in case we haven't, that this, on its own, is a 0. On its own, like this, is 0. Z-E-R-O, 0. And then we start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we also call it 0, 0. Okay. Good, 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 good. So now I want to focus on all the numbers in between 100 and 1,000. And it's a lot, it's really a lot, but once we know the pattern, it's quite easy to count from 100 to 1,000. So, the first number after 100 is 101. 101. 101. So all we're doing is taking the 100. 100 is the same, and 1. This is the difference. 101. I just rub this off so it's not so confusing. So it follows the same. 100 and 1, because the difference between this and this is that there's 1 just here. Good. Then we move up to 102. Same, same. 102. Good. And just to emphasize again, 103 is 100 and 3. And then this follows the same pattern going up, up, up. So if we see 111 is 111. Because we know that this number on its own is 11. The last 2 numbers are 11. But the 1 tells us 3 digits. Oh, this is 111. And then it goes up. So 112. And this replicates over and over and over again. 120. 121. 123. I'm going to use a new board. I think you've seen that all now. You can take a screenshot maybe if you're looking to write down some of the numbers. So, and this is the same, even if it's 100, as we've just done. If it's 200 like this, it would be 200 and 3. 200s we know because 3 digits, 200 and 3. And remembering the and, because this is the important word that's connecting the 200 and 3. And we see this all the way up again. So we see this 3 digits, 243. 368. 421. 675. 555. 786. 811. 930. And this even goes up to like this, which would be 999. So when it's 3 digits, 3 numbers, we always know it's going to be 100. Whether it's 100 or 678, always with 3 digits, we know we're thinking about 100. And then we look at the first digit and we think, okay, this is a 9. So I know it's 930. For this, we would look at the first digit. Okay, it's a 9. 999. For this, we look at the first number and see 7. 786. Same, always same. This we see 6. 675. First digit, 4. 421. And one more time, 243. So we might have to think a bit and practice before we read the number, before we say it out loud, but always from 100 all the way to 999, it follows the same pattern. It might take you a bit of time and a bit of practice to get there, but always following the same pattern. And really, again, just to say this one more time, once we know the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, we are halfway there really. We know how to count most of the numbers because most numbers are using those words. Also important to learn 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and the word 100 and 1,000. So it's only not so many words to learn, but we just have to think about what order to put them in. But this will come with practice. But I hope you enjoyed the lesson today. I hope you learned something new. And tomorrow we'll maybe stay with numbers, maybe move on to something else. But for now, I miss you a lot and I hope the centre can open soon so you'll be back here. Bye.